Hello students, welcome to the online science class. Today we'll study about fiber to fabric. Let's have a brief introduction. Clothes are one of our basic needs. We need clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain. We wear different types of cloth according to climate, occupation, culture and daily need. Besides clothing, fabric has variety of use like curtains, bed sheets, carpets, dusters, handkerchiefs, etc. In ancient times, people used to cover their body by animal skin, grasses, big leaves, bark of the tree. The concept of making fabric and the art of stitching helped people to wear different types of dresses. The topics to be covered are fibers and their sources, types of fibers, study of natural plant, cotton and jute, how cotton and jute fibers are changed to fabrics, advantages and disadvantages of natural fabric. Fibers and their sources. Fabric are made from fibers. Fibers are long strand and flexible thread-like materials which are either obtained from plants or from animals. It may be even artificially produced. Fibers are spun into yarn which are finally woven or knitted into fabric. As you can see in the picture, a textile material is taken from where yarns are taken out. Yarns are untwisted. From there we can see thin strands of thread which are called as fibers. Thus, from fibers we get yarns and from yarns we get fabric. Types of fibers. There are mainly three types of fibers. Natural fibers, they are obtained from plants and animals. Synthetic fiber, they are obtained synthetically by human beings. And mixed fibers obtained by blending natural and synthetic fiber. Plant fibers are obtained from plants like cotton, jute, flax, hemp, etc. Animal fibers are obtained from animals like sheep, yak, cocoon of silkworm, rabbit, etc. Examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon, acrylic, while rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber which is basically obtained from wood pulp and further processed in laboratories. Examples of mixed fibers are terrycot, polycot, polywool, etc. Today we will study mainly about plant fiber, cotton and jute. Cotton fiber. Cotton is a soft fiber and is world's most popular fiber. This fiber is obtained from cotton plant which is a shrub. Cotton plant bears fruit known as cotton balls. It contains small seeds and fiber inside. A fully mature cotton ball is of the same size as that of a lemon. When the fruits are ripened, the balls burst, exposing the seeds and soft fibers. The fibers get dried by the heat of the sun. These fibers are collected and is processed further. The cotton plant grows well in black soil. It requires warm climate and moderate rainfall. The places in India where cotton cultivation is done are Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal and Meghalaya. Let us see how cotton is processed fiber to make fabric. When cotton ball bursts, the seeds are exposed surrounded by soft white fibers. These fibers are collected. Earlier it was done by hands and now it is done by modern equipments. You can see the burst of the cotton ball in the picture. The cotton fibers are separated from the seeds. The process is done by metallic comb known as ginning. Fibers are changed to yarn by twisting them together into a long continuous thread. Earlier it was done by hand spindle or takli or charkha. They were hand operated devices. Nowadays spinning of yarn is done through spinning machines. This process increases the strength of the fiber. The yarns are then converted to fabric by weaving. It is done in looms. Weaving is a process where two sets of yarns are arranged together crisscross to make a fabric. It is done in looms. Hand operated looms are called hand looms, while electric operated looms are called power looms. Knitting is a process which is also used to make fabric, but here only a single yarn is used to make fabric. Knitting is mainly done by woolen fabric. In cotton fabric fibers also knitting is done, like the process of crochet, where we make use of single yarn. Let us now study about jute fiber. Jute fiber is a long, shiny plant fiber obtained from the stems of jute plant. It is also called as golden fiber due to its shining color. Jute cultivation needs hot and humid climate and plenty of rainfall. It needs a well-drained, fertile soil like alluvial soil, which is the best suited for the cultivation of jute. It is a biodegradable and coarse fiber. Jute cultivation in India is mainly done in West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Tripura, Meghalaya, Bihar, and in some parts of UP. Almost 85% of the world's jute cultivation is concentrated in the Ganges Delta or Sundarban areas. Jute fiber, let us see how it is changed to fabric. Jute plant grows 6 to 12 feet in height and bear yellow colored flowers. The plants are cut during the flowering stage. This is done to obtain good quality jute from the young stem. If the stem becomes hard, it is difficult to remove fibers from it. The harvested plants are soaked in water for few days until they start rotting. As you can see it in the figure they have shown. When the stems rot, the fibers are separated by hands. This process is called retting. In the picture you can see it clearly. The fibers so obtained are dried in the sun and tied into small bundles. These bundles are then sent to the mills. The fibers are made into yarn by twisting the strands together. This process is called spinning. The yarns are further woven into textile at jute mills. Jute is used to make sacks, carpets, gunny bags, jute baskets, jute bags, table mats, etc. Now let us study about the advantages and disadvantages of natural fabric. The advantages as the fabric absorb more water and sweat and they allow air to pass through them. This makes natural fabric comfortable to wear in summer, mainly cotton. They are biodegradable and do not affect the environment. But at the same time, there is some disadvantage also. They do not retain their crease for long, so cotton fabric needs a proper maintenance. They may shrink on ordinary washing. They can easily be attacked by moths and moles. They do not dry rapidly, therefore fabric made up of natural fibers are not preferred in rainy season. Natural fiber is very expensive and is not quite affordable. Moving to the end of the session, we summarize that fibers are single hair-like strand resembling thin thread. Cotton fibers are soft, so used as a filling material in mattress pillows. Cotton fibers are good absorbent, so is used in the wick of the lamp also used in medical field. Handpicking, ginning, spinning, weaving, knitting are different stages to obtain cotton fabric from cotton plant. Bundle stock, retting, washing, sun drying, spinning are different stages used to obtain jute fiber from jute plant. Flax fiber are obtained from the stem of flax plant. It is soft, lustrous and one among the strongest natural fibers. It is a good food and fiber crop cultivated in the cooler regions of the world. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next session.